Hello everyone. In this video, we explore the fundamentals of counting and understand how it used in information technology. Definition. In IT, we often deals with combination arrangement, password, user's ID, and system processes. To compute how many possible outcomes or choices we can have, we use the fundamentals counting principles. This concept help us analyze security design, system, and solve many computing problems. What is the fundamental counting principle? The fundamental counting principle states that if one event can happen in m ways, and together dependent event can happen in n ways, then the two events together can happen in m multiplied by n ways. This is important in IT because digital system depends on counting possibilities like calculating password strength or determining how many IP addresses are available. Example, password visual icon of letter and number. Consider the password that uses two letters followed by two digits. Each letter has 26 possibilities and each digit has 10 possibilities. So the total number of password is 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 is equals to 67,700. Combination. This shows how counting helps measure security strength. Other example. In IP address visual. IP address has a definition. In IPv4, an IP address has 4 sections called octet, each with 36 numbers visual values. So the total number of IPv4 addresses in 36 times 36 times 36 times 36 is equals to 1,679,616 addresses. These numbers help computers identify every device connected to a network. Example, menu interface or UI choices. When designing software, we often create menus with multiple choices. If a program has 3 themes and 4 languages and 5 font style, total combination is equals to 3 times 4 times 5 is equals to 60 interface setup. Why it matter in the visual technology, animations, narrations, the fundamentals counting principles in uses in cyber security system, design data, structure, algorithm analysis, software testing, networking. It helps the unprofessional predict outcomes, reduce errors, and build efficient system. Then that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, comment.